back to my channel. My name is Oma, and for today's video I will be showing you some really beautiful and trendy jeans collection haul that will be best for all seasons: winter, autumn, summer, even spring. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. But first, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and like my video. So see you soon. This is the first outfit. This is a denim jeans with, it's called a mom jeans. It's actually really trending now, and I decided to pair it with this really basic yet simple t-shirt. And this shirt here, it's like a statement shirt. It's called like, so here it's written Sila Luvi. Sila Luvi, it means like strength and love. So and I also decided to add like some nice accessories like a belt. I'm sorry, like my outfit is quite wrinkled today, and the reason is that I was just feeling lazy to iron them. So I really love this outfit because it's really great for students, it's great for adults, you know, it's great for everyone of all ages, and you can basically wear this like any in any season. So this is, and the best thing about like mom jeans is that it packs your pouch in, you know, it lets it just sit in, and this allows your whole body to breathe, you know, because your body needs to breathe lots of time. Okay, so I also had this denim jeans paired with this, you know, just a basic sneakers with like some white socks or stockings. So it depends on you, whatever you want you can wear it. So it just makes you look really cheeky and really nice, and I think it's one of the best investments ever. So it's important that you have something like this, and the reason is that it just, you know, it just really feels comfortable. It's not so tight. And one of my resolution for this year is that I try as much as possible not to wear skinny jeans, because, you know, they of course they look so beautiful on you, they bring out the shape of your body, but at the same time it just gives you this, you know, this unstylish, it just gives you this, you know, not so nice look. So tell me what you guys think about this outfit. Do you have a kind of mom jeans like this? Mom jeans are actually my favorite, like, or they've become my favorite. Mamma mia, guys, look at this. I had to say Mamma mia because, oh my god, this is by far my favorite denim jeans in 2022, probably of all time. And the reason is that, look at that, look at the flare. I really love flat jeans. I think I've gotten taller like over the past 3 months. I'm just joking. This flare jeans is really great for winter, for summer, for autumn, for all seasons actually. And the most interesting thing about it is that it looks very beautiful and unique, you know. It brings out this madame in you, it brings out this bossy lady, beautiful, stylish, sexy look in you. So I really like it, and I like the texture of this denim jeans. So okay, so I can't zoom it in, I can just try to show you guys, you know, like what it looks like. I really like it. Like, I'm just, you know, just feeling this outfit, including like the so this is like a neon what is it called, a neon bodycon. I decided to pair it with this, with my outfit and my hairstyle as well. So everything is just looking, you know, beautiful, sensational, really nice. You can pair yours with whatever outfit that you like. Look at that. So it's really nice, it's really beautiful. This denim jeans, this denim is a soft jeans, so it's not that, it's very soft, really nice, really beautiful. Tell me what you guys think. I think this is my by far my favorite outfit of the day, because it just takes you back, it gives you this vintage retro and Bella Hadid kind of like model. To finish off this look, I decided to pair my look with a platform heel. So the reason is that if you order a flared jeans like this online, you notice like it can be like, you know, some inches taller than you, and or like the length might be yeah, so taller than you. So all you have to do is just try to find something taller, like, you know, a what is it called, like a shoe or an heel or whatever, so like you just don't feel it drawing, and it just doesn't dirty, like this place just doesn't get to become dirty. Okay, so this is another t-shirt that I've paired it with. Please excuse, like, I know it's very wrinkled, don't be like me, I'm just super lazy to iron them now. So I just want to show you like another really nice simple shirt, you know, something really basic that you can pair your flat jeans with. You can just you can just choose to make it look like this, you know, not tuck it in if you want, or you can tuck it in if you want. I think either way it looks nice. The only thing that I see as a bit of disadvantage is that I wasn't so careful, so I chose this. When I ordered this flag jeans, I didn't notice like it was low waist, so it wasn't that much of a high waist that would make, you know, so like by the time you tuck it in, it would look somehow, how do I say this, a little bit corporate. But any other ways, I think it looks nice even if you try to tuck it in or if you tuck it out. So I like this because, you know, it's very free. The jeans itself is free and soft, and you know, it's just very vintagey. It's good for people of all age, for anyone, you know, and also it just makes your belly to sit in, like you basically have all this. So yeah, that's it. Tell me what you guys think. This is my t-shirt, like it has this drawing of a cat. What do you think? Do you think it looks beautiful? Do you think it looks nice? Okay guys, so this is the next outfit, and this is Bermuda shorts. Bermuda shorts are really great for summer, especially when the weather is very hot. So I decided to pair my shirt with, like, you know, a body what is it called, a body con. You can actually wear yours or pair yours with anything that you want. I really like them because the lengths are decent and they are also free as well. I just gained a lot of weight, that's the reason that it looks so tight on me now, but it's very beautiful. It also brings out the shape of your body. So I want to show you guys how I look, like the full look. So this is what the full look looks like. I think it's also a great investment to have something like this in your wardrobe, because if you want to go like hiking or, you know, on a trip, you can always wear it. It's like you know, it gives you this aesthetic slash vintagey kind of look, at the same time very unusual and beautiful. So tell me what you guys think in the comment below. Do you have a Bermuda shirt? How do you style your Bermuda shirt? So I style it with a bodycon. I'm also going to show you some really simple and nice vests that you can pair your Bermuda shirts with. Okay guys, so apart from the bodycon, you can also pair it with a basic singlet. So for instance, you can see I have this pink singlet that I decided to pair with this Bermuda short. It makes it really look beautiful and exceptional, you know, everything about it is just so nice. So whatever you have, you can always pair your outfit with. It doesn't matter, it's always going to bring out the beauty in it. At the same time, if you have an oversized t-shirt, unfortunately I do not have one, and that is the reason that I'm actually not pairing it with it now. But tell me what you guys think. Do you think it looks nice? Okay, so the last denim outfit for today is this skinny jeans. I know I said in the first video that I promised myself not to wear as much skinny jeans as before, but you know, you just can't survive without skinny jeans. You know, they're just so beautiful. So I've had this since last year as well. I just like bought them, but it just in my wardrobe, so I decided to show them to you today. So this is a really nice touch to the skin, feely skinny jeans. However, it is a little bit thick, so I think it's great for autumn, or you know, spring, you know, when the weather is chilly or cold out there. So it's really nice to just wear. You can always pair it with a denim jeans, but I'm pairing mine with this really basic singlet. I really like things that are very basic because they actually go with any outfit. You can wear them with a skirt or anything. And now today the weather is like plus probably 30, and so why not? You just have to, you know, try to look beautiful and just be as simple as you want. So I wouldn't say this is, I wouldn't count this as much of a high waist. It's also something that is pretty classic, so I think it looks like a little bit of a low waist, not a lower waist, but like a low waist jeans. But anywho's, it just settles in, and as usual it just brings out your, and it enhances your body parts that needs to be enhanced. So this is just the reason that I decided to have this. So tell me what you guys think about the color of this jeans. I really love the color because it's very vintagey and, you know, very classic, normal things. They look, you know, very old school kind of. I'm gonna pair this with a denim jacket that I have, just to see like if it's actually going to. So guys, it's been paired with this really nice denim shirt, but this denim is like, you know, men's denim color. I really like it as well. Let's look at that. So I think it's great to just pair it with anything. So let's say the weather is chilly, you know, you wear like a singlet inside, you can remove it. You can also wear this in summer, it depends on your mood or however you want. So I think it isn't a bad idea after. Okay, this is the last but not the least outfit for today. This is not a denim, but I decided to show you guys. And this is a biker's short. This is the best leggings in the world. It's very, very soft. You almost feel like you're not wearing anything. And you know, they're just so nice, soft to the feel. They're really nice when you want to go cycling, or you know, you want something that is very, very comfortable and you feel like you almost don't feel like you're wearing something. So I think it's a great idea to have something like this in your wardrobe. One advice though, when you purchase something like this, it's really important that you have a long blouse or shirt to pair with it. The reason is that so your old bum is going to show. So but I decided to pair it with this you know, really basic shirt, and I think it looks nice, you know, very convenient, soft to the skin, really beautiful. Tell me what you guys think about the whole outfit for today. My battery is dying, so tell me, which outfit do you think is the best, which outfit is beautiful, which looks nice on me, which outfit do you like? So just tell me what you guys think. I think I really like this, it's so nice. Okay guys, so I've come to the end of my video. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you have any questions, please leave it in the link below. Thank you so much. Stay safe, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.